Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you the Dubai pistachio chocolate with the kunafa. So I thought I'll try it, and I used the mold for the pops, the cake pops. So I used those mold and it came really nice. As you can see, I used dark chocolate and milk chocolate. So first thing, I'm gonna melt some butter in a saucepan, and I actually let it brown a little bit so it's start to make that really nice smell. And I have here my kunafa that I cut it to small tiny pieces, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom and just keep mixing it until it's all brown and nice and crunchy. So keep mixing until it's all coated and it's all brown and crunchy, and then take it off the heat and put it aside, as you can see. So I'm adding here my pistachio cream. So this is store-bought. You can make your own if you want. Just add as much as you want until it's all coated. So after I have my molds here, this is the cake pops. So I melted some dark chocolate first, and I'm gonna put some on all over it, and on the sides as well. Put it in the freezer until it's all set, and then I'm gonna take it out and add another layer just on the sides so that it doesn't break quickly when I take it off the mold. As you can see, just add like all around the sides so that can cover all the sides properly. After I added the 2 layers and it's all set on the freezer, I'm gonna add my cream, pistachio and kunafa on the middle. And then I'm gonna cover it with the rest of the chocolate. And then pop it back on the freezer until it's all set. So just tidy up a little bit so you can, when you take it off, it won't be that much trouble. As you can see, when it all sets, it comes out easy. And I done the same thing with the milk chocolate. As you can see, those are different designs. And that's it, really. It's very easy to do. There you have it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.